In this video, I'll show you how to use the live translation feature of your AirPods Pro 3. So let's get started. So step number one, wear your AirPods Pro in your ears, or if you don't want to do that, put them in the case and open the lid and leave them like this. Then on your iPhone, open the settings. Your AirPods should be right over here. If you don't see them, go into the Bluetooth and you should find them in the list. Click on the eye icon beside them. Then we need to go down in this menu until you see translation. Click on languages. Over here, you're going to see the languages you have downloaded and the one that you can currently download. There's a limited amount of languages currently available since this is in beta. You're obligated to download these languages on your phone, the ones that you will use. And they will be available offline as well. That's the good news. So in my case, I have clicked on the blue download button for German and English. But for you, maybe you need French, Portuguese, and Spanish. These are the only languages currently available. If you want to delete a language in the future because you don't use them, you can click on Edit and you'll be able to click Delete this way. Rest assured that in my case, it took around 10 minutes to download a language. It got stuck at a point at 70% for a long time, but then it finished. So just be patient. It may take 10-20 minutes. I even read some people it took even more time. So once you click download, just put your iPhone aside. I mean, you can continue using your iPhone. You won't be able to use this translate option right away. To use live translate, well, it tells you over here what you need to do. You need to wear both AirPods in your ears and you'll have to squeeze the stem, okay, like this, of both of them when they are in your ears during around a second, 2 seconds, okay, both of them at the same time to enable live translation. And you absolutely need to have the Translate app made by Apple. And another method to launch this live translation that I find easier, or at least I prefer this way, is to go into the Translate app. Over here, tap on Live. And over here, select the languages. So let's say the person in front of me is speaking German, and I want to have the translation in English in my ears and on the display. Well, I'll put these informations and then I'll click Start Translation. Now I'm not speaking German, so and no one around me is speaking, but if this was happening, you'll see over here that it's translating from German to English, and especially I will hear it with a 5 seconds delay in my ears. So this is it. I hope this helped you. Please leave a comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.